Good morning, children. Jai Hind. Welcome to computer class. Children, as you all know, Diwali festival is coming and we decorate our homes with diyas, candles. So today we are going to draw candles with different designs and will decorate it using different shapes. So let's start. Firstly, we are going to draw a sleeping line and divide the screen into two parts in such a way that there should be more space above the line to draw the candles. And I have drawn this line by taking green color. Now to draw the shape of candle, take rectangle tool and draw a box to make the shape of a candle. And leave some space between the box of the candle and the line to make stand for the candle. With the help of line tool, I am going to draw this stand of the candle. Now I am going to draw slanting lines in the box to make design in the candle like this. And now for the flame of the candle, take oval tool and draw small oval shaped circle for the flame. So our beautiful candle is ready. Again, take rectangle tool and draw small and broad box for the candle to draw it in different size and shape. And again, to draw the stand of the candle, I am going to take line tool and I am going to draw the stand of the candle. And now oval tool for the flame of the candle. And now I am going to decorate it differently. Firstly, I am going to draw slanting lines like this. And now I am going to take this diamond shaped tool and I am going to draw it in between the slanting lines. So this way my candle looks more beautiful. Now again, one more candle with different design I am going to show you. Again, the box of the candle with the help of rectangle tool, stand with the help of line tool, flame with the help of oval tool like this. And to decorate it, now this time I am going to draw sleeping lines in the candle like this. And in between I am going to fill a star in the candle. So this way my candle is ready with different design. Now last design I am going to show you like this. Again, box with the help of rectangle tool, stand with the help of line tool and flame with the help of oval tool. And your flame should not be very thin or should not be very big. It should be of medium size. Again, I am going to draw slanting lines first in the candle. And now I am going to draw the slanting lines in opposite direction to make the design. And I am going to join them with the previous slanting lines so that a design comes. Now for the coloring, I am going to take fill with color tool and in the flame yellow, and in the candles you can do colorful different colors to make them look beautiful and bright, and you can color according to your choice. I am completing the coloring according to my choice. You can fill the colors according to your choice and make them more beautiful. And you can make the designs in the candle according to your choice also. If you know some other design, you can fill that also, and you can color accordingly. So see, my color got spread on the candle, pink color, and what I have done, I have used undo option. CTRL and Z together from the keyboard I have used, and my last mistake, it gets corrected. So if you also make a mistake like this, so don't panic, press CTRL and Z key together from the keyboard and your last action will get undo. So this way I am completing the coloring. Make the grass, I am doing green color, and as we light the candles in the night only, so I am going to make a night scene, and I have again taken that diamond shape tool to make the stars in the sky like this. You can make as many stars as you want by taking white color. Don't make moon, as on Diwali it's a no moon day, so we are not going to make the moon, as on Diwali it's a no moon day. So our beautiful scene with candles is ready. Next time we are going to add diyas in it. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.